I've always been interested in it, and when I first did my course in 2019, I was ready to start something fresh, and so I did a therapeutic massage therapist first, and then I went back and did remedial massage therapist, and then 2022 I did an upgrade on lymphatic and palliative massage, so I can massage end-of-life patients. Cert 4 just opened you up to just doing gentle massages, working in day spas and that sort of branch, whereas remedial helps you treat people with different ailments. Wodonga TAFE was amazing. The teachers that we had informed us really well, helped us, guided us through it. The part that I loved was going to see a cadaver. Amazing. It just opened you up to the human anatomy in seeing it for yourself. Like every vein, every nerve, every muscle, every ligament. We're helping people's lives be a lot better, and especially if they've got fibromyalgia or chronic diseases or illnesses that they're suffering, we can give them some relief. It's sort of rewarding teaching them about their body as well as treating them as well. So I find explaining to a client what I'm going to do and what muscle I'm going to, so that they're more aware of their body and why it goes tight, or what they can do to relieve it and why they need massaging.